Whenever we are doing literature search for the drug substances or the excipients, sometimes we get the information like some APIs are the in-house standards, some APIs are as per the pharmacopoeial standards, and these APIs have the pharmacopoeial monograph is available for these APIs, and similar is the case for the excipients. Many of the times we observe that the APIs and the drug substances have compendial available in many of the pharmacopoeias. So these type of APIs are called as or known as with the multi-compendial, or these are having the monograph available in multiple pharmacopoeias. So these can be called as multi-compendial excipients or multi-compendial APIs. You can remember like the old APIs or the APIs which are approved long back, these might have the multi-compendial status, or you can say that these may have the monograph in multiple pharmacopoeias. I welcome all the viewers to this short video on understanding regarding the multi-compendial APIs, drug substances, and the excipients. So what is the exact meaning of multi-compendial? So a multi-compendial API, that is active pharmaceutical ingredient or drug substance, or the excipient, is a substance that has official monographs published in more than one pharmacopoeia. For example, you can say paracetamol, metformin, and many others. Like lactose is there, magnesium stearate is there, mannitol is there. These are having the pharmacopoeial monographs in multiple pharmacopoeias. Like they have the monographs available in USP, BP, PHUR, JP, IP, and CHP. This means the same substance is recognized and described in multiple compendia. Sometimes with slight differences are there in the test, in the specifications or limits, and in the testing methods. But generally, they are all the same, and that's why these have the multiple compendial status. APIs like paracetamol is available with multi-compendial status. It has already enlisted monographs in USP, BP, PHUR, IP, JP, and CHP. Metformin hydrochloride is there, amoxicillin is there. So these are the well-known APIs, and these are approved long back. So they are available with pharmacopoeia monographs. Excipients like microcrystalline cellulose, lactose monohydrate, magnesium stearate, and mannitol, and many. Why the multicompendial status is important? So the reasons are related to the regulatory compliance, quality control, and harmonization, and the supply chain advantage. If you are using a API or you are using a excipient which is multicompendial, it will be easy to test and to provide the regulatory compliance. It will also be easy to extend the product in the other markets. For example, you have developed a product considering the US market or Europe market, and now you want to extend the same to the ROW with the same reference formulation. Then it will be easy if the product is containing all the excipients and the APIs which are complying to the regional pharmacopoeias. So regulatory compliance, pharma companies supplying globally must meet the requirements of all the relevant pharmacopoeias. For example, a tablet exported to US and Europe, API and excipient must comply with both USP and PHUR. Then quality control. QC lab must be familiar with differences in test methods across the pharmacopoeias. It will be easy for the QC and QA to comply. harmonization efforts. Pharmacopoeial discussion group, that is PDG, and ICH-Q4B aim to harmonize test for the multi-compendial substances. And fourth one is supply chain advantage. Having multiple compendial grade APIs or excipients will allow single material sourcing for the multiple markets. These are the advantages and the reasons why the multi-compendial excipients and APIs are more important. Now, challenges with multi-compendial substances. So, test methods or acceptance criteria may differ slightly for the testings like assay and assay range and the impurity limits. Some pharmacopoeias may require additional tests like specific impurity profile may be there in the PHUR versus USP. Manufacturers must ensure compliance with the strict requirement among the compendia. For example, if it is a multi-compendial API or excipient, so select the compendia where the strict requirement is there and you can comply to that compendia or pharmacopoeia. So, by understanding the multi-compendial substances, we can say that a multi-compendial API or excipient is the one that has official standards in multiple pharmacopoeias, making it suitable for global use, but also requiring careful compliance with multiple regulatory requirements. So, whenever you are working in the pharma industry, whether you are in the QC or QA or regulatory affairs or formulation research or production, you need to understand the multi-compendial substances and how these are important. Thank you for watching the video. Let's meet soon with another informative video. Thank you.